Join me as I dig deep and uncover all the hidden secrets of the iPhone 17 Pro Max that you probably didn't know about. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is undoubtedly one of the most powerful smartphones on the market, packed with cutting-edge features that make it a beast of a device. But despite its popularity, many users still don't know how to unlock its full potential. In this video, we're going to change that by revealing some of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's best-kept secrets. One of the biggest misconceptions about the iPhone 17 Pro Max is that it's too complex, with too many features to learn and master. While it's true that the device has a lot to offer, it's not as intimidating as it seems. With a few simple tips and tricks, you can unlock the iPhone 17 Pro Max's full potential and get the most out of your device. Another challenge users face is battery life. Let's face it, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a power-hungry device, and if you're not careful, you can find yourself running out of juice before the day is over. But fear not, because we're going to show you some simple tweaks that can help you extend your battery life and keep your device running all day long. Many users also struggle with the iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera. With so many features and settings to choose from, it can be overwhelming. But don't worry, because we're going to break it down for you and show you how to take stunning photos and videos with your device. From portrait mode to night mode, we'll cover it all. And finally, some users are simply unaware of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's hidden features. From secret shortcuts to hidden settings, there's a lot to explore, and we're going to dive deep and uncover it all. Let's start with one of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's most underrated features, the ability to customize your home screen. Did you know that you can add custom widgets, change your icon sizes, and even add custom shortcuts to your favorite apps? It's true, and it's incredibly easy to do. Next up, let's talk about battery life. We all know that the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a power-hungry device, but there are ways to extend your battery life. One simple trick is to turn off location services for apps that don't need them. This can save a significant amount of battery life over the course of the day. Another trick is to turn down your screen brightness. Every little bit counts. The iPhone 17 Pro Max's camera is also packed with features that can help you take stunning photos and videos. Did you know that you can use the ultra-wide-angle lens to take sweeping landscape shots? Or that you can use night mode to take incredible low-light photos? We'll cover all the tips and tricks you need to know to take your photography skills to the next level. And finally, let's talk about one of the iPhone 17 Pro Max's best-kept secrets, the ability to record video in 8K resolution. That's right, 8K. This is a game-changer for content creators, and it's incredibly easy to do. Simply open up the camera app, select the 8K option, and start recording. The result is a stunning video that's incredibly detailed and lifelike. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max's ability to record in 8K is just the tip of the iceberg. One of the most exciting revelations about this device is its ability to edit 8K video in real time. That's right, you can edit your 8K video on the fly, without having to wait for hours for it to render. This is a game changer for content creators, and it's a feature that sets the iPhone 17 Pro Max apart from other smartphones. The iPhone 17 Pro Max's ability to edit 8K video in real time is made possible by its incredibly powerful A17 Bionic chip. This chip is a beast, and it's capable of handling even the most demanding tasks with ease. And when you combine it with the iPhone 17 Pro Max's advanced camera system, you get a device that's capable of producing stunning video that rivals even the most expensive professional cameras. In conclusion, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a device that's packed with hidden secrets and features that can help you unlock its full potential. From customizing your home screen to editing 8K video in real time, there's a lot to explore, and we've only scratched the surface in this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite iPhone 17 Pro Max feature. And if you want to learn more about the latest tech trends, be sure to check out our next video for more insights.